Hello everyone, welcome to the virtual asset. In this video, we will discuss about the various return type of the controller action method. So in the previous video where we have discussed about the controllers in MVC, in this video we will discuss the various return type for the controller. So like when we create any action method in the controller, so now when we create it, so by default every action method basically return the action result, and this action result class is basically a base class of many classes, and we can return the like any object from those classes. Now there are some of them is like we can return any object, we can return the action result, we can return the content, empty result, file, HTTP status code, we can return the JavaScript, JSON, redirect result. So there are many like return type for the same. Now like if we will talk about, so they are similar, like if I want to return a particular view from the action result, so what I have to do, I have to write the return view. If I have to return the partial view, then for that one we have the partial view. If we want to return to the redirect is basically similar to the response.redirect or server.transfer which we are having in ASP.NET. Similar to that one, in the controller, in the MVC, we have the redirect. Now if I want to navigate to that particular action method, then what we can use the redirect to action. If I want to return any particular content, like for an example, like if I want to return the string, then I can use the content method to return that. If I want to return the JSON data, I can use that JSON method. If I want to return the JavaScript, I can use the JavaScript. And if I want to return that particular binary data, I can use the file method. So these are the couple of the method which we have in the controller action method. So we will discuss all these things in the coming videos when we will learn more about the action method and the view, and based on the on the view what kind of the data we want to show. So based on that we will use our desired action method, and based on that we will show the data. Now for an example, like as we discussed like in the previous video, we have the here we have the view result. Now for an example, by default is basically the action result. So now if I want to return from view from here, so what basically what it takes, so we can see these view has a couple of the overloaded method. So that view, we can give the view name. Next is if I want to pass that particular model to that view, now in this case it will navigate to the index view only. So in this index view, if I want to navigate to the model, I want to pass the model class, then we can pass that also. If I want to navigate, see from here, now it is navigate to the index view. Now from here, if I want to navigate to the another view, here if I am having a index 1 action method, I want to navigate to that particular view, then we can give that view name. Even we can give that view name with the model also, and the view name, and we can have this model. Next, the master name. So in that case, if we can pass the view name, and with that if I want to pass the master page name also, as a layout page, we can pass it. And apart from that one, master page and the model also. So there are couple of the we are having couple of the view overloaded method. Now apart from that view, if I want to pass the content, now next is we are having the content, right? So let's, if I will pass the content. So what content takes? So basically it takes the content, any string value. If I want to show, the content and the type, that also we can show. And if that particular encoding we are having, that also we can show. And apart from that, if we have the redirect, so that redirect is basically will take, so let's redirect, and in that case we have to give that particular URL. So for an example, if I want to, from my application I want to navigate to the Google, so that particular URL we can give from here, and it will go to the Google site. So that redirect basically we use. And redirect to action, if I will take, so in that case, like in this application, if I want to navigate to that particular action method or from that action method to the particular view route, so we can have the couple of the here overloaded method. And similar to this one, if I want to return the JavaScript, so we can return the JavaScript from here. So like I mean to say, like we have the couple of the action method, and as per our desire we can use any return type for our controller action method. So that's it for this video. If you have any question and doubt, please comment. Thank you.